Hello everyone, it's Jason here and welcome back to Overwatch! So ladies and gents, we got a video and a half for you. What are we going to be playing today? Well, I'm thinking... maybe we'll play Torbjorn, maybe Hanzo, maybe Duke. We played him recently, didn't we? Or did we? Did we play Bastion? What were these entertaining as others? Maybe Widowmaker? Yeah, we'll go Widowmaker and let the sucker who chose the last go healer. And if he or she doesn't, then... oh, well, no, she's a dick. We've got to go. Bloody idiot. We need a healer. Alright, let's go to Zenyatta. True self. It's without form. You heard it here first, ladies and gents. Ah, right, you're still using Christmas taunts. Great, right.
A warrior's greatest weapon.
Oh, this is the greatest thing ever. Look, he's not going to know when to stop doing it. Oh, God. This takes me back to TF2. So there's one Team Fortress 2 man versus machine match. We're all just doing these team taunts. Like the Kawaski. Is that how you pronounce it? Is that even how you... is that even the name? Right, let's get some harmony orbs on these mothers. Oh, crap. Crap. Right, crap, give it to him. Give it to him. Because up, down, funk, don't give it to him. Because up, down, funk doesn't give it to him. This is the net and we in the shop. Something. Don't believe me, just watch. Kill her, kill her before she lays eggs. Yes! You don't want to take the point then. Oh crap. Reaper, protect me. Reaper, defend! I don't know how to play Zenyatta. Give me that. Oh, there's a Barra! Victory is impossible. Where are you? Sonny Jim! Kill it! Yeah, we got a Vengeance rings from above! Yeah, she's still using... is she... is that... no, is that... that's not her... that's not a frostbite suit, is it? Oh, that's convenient. But, yeah, she doesn't look like a frostbite suit. Hey, Farah, could you get down here? Maybe we could check out your suits. Definitely isn't a frostbite, but it does look kind of blue. Maybe it'll show her in this kill feed. Good kill. But yeah, it's not a frostbite suit. So what other thing could it be? I can't believe you decided to go Soldier 76. You little shit.
The way is closed.
Get out of here. She's good at justice, isn't she? I got tranquility. Experience tranquility. Which we should be doing. Oh crap. Oh crap! Experience tranquility. No one. Oh wait, one died. Okay, we got. I can deal with the kill to death ratio we got so far. Okay, crap. Kill it. Kill Lucio. Kill him. Oh my god, someone get that kill. Somebody get that kill for me, please.
The cycle begins anew.
The cycle begins anew. Crap, on the point, we're not winning this. We are not going to win this game. No. Okay. Oh, crap. Alright, we got a guy with a harmony orb. Crap, the justice! Not the justice! Anything but the justice! Oh crap! Whoa! We're going to Hank Hill voice. That's something I could do. Whoa!
Pain is
Bobby,
excellent.
all the trains in the world today, they don't really last. Well, you know what I always say? I sell propane and propane accessories. You don't want charcoal with that, Bobby. Trust me. Trust me, Bobby. You do not want not want anything except for propane with that. Oh boy, Bobby. Whoa! Oh my!
The shadow of doubt.
Need to get rid of that god awful demons.
Tranquility.
Oh. Me? I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm tempted to watch this video back, see if that was actually a decent impression. I wonder if I could do any other impressions. I'm gonna try, of course, but yeah, just curiosity. Alright, so let's talk about Zenyatta. Why do I never play Zenyatta? I used to main him, alright? I used to main him just before he got the big buff. And when he got the big buff, I was just like, flip yeah. Alright, where's that bitch? Run. Come on. Ah, another bitch! Here we go. Seriously, still using the Christmas skins. This is unbelievable. This is unacceptable! Unacceptable! Oh my god, yes, I killed a May! I killed a May! I might actually take Zenyatta back up on that one. Ah, man. I might actually take him back up if I can get a kill on a flipping May. If I can get a kill on May. Hi, Mum. Right, just my mother. Leaving. Probably gonna go visit my grandmother. Oh shit! Someone killed the May for me. I can't go out there while there's a May about. Oh man, long range orbs. Oh no. Well, I think she's pretty bad unless she. Oh shit. She's probably gonna recall. Get all that head back. Oh crap. That's just my. I've been putting my feet up on this exercise ball here. We've been keeping it playing for some time now. It's kind of like a poop. It's like the poor man's poop. But yeah, it's good. It's good for leaning on. It just occasionally slips away. Okay, right, got it. No, it's not optimum position. Optimum poof positioning. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Does stuff Genji? No, I don't, do they? Thank goodness. I think Genji actually counts as Zenyatta. I think. I could be wrong, but.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your...
There's a phone. Alright, save the Junkrat. Oh, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when we come for you, bad boy, bad boy? What's going to? What you gonna do when we come for you, diva? There you go. Oh, there's Lucy, fallen to his death. Yeah, of course, it comes up on the kill feeds. Kill for Junkrat. What in God's name, Roadhog? Let's see if we can't get some of these guys with orbs. See, the reason I play Mercy over Zenyatta is Zenyatta's just not good for escaping. If there's someone near you, you're gonna die. If there's a sniper, you're gonna die.
Set back.
If you accidentally swallow hydrogen peroxide, you're gonna die. So anyhow, he gets killed by most things.
Tactical visor activated.
Oh, son of Sombra! Oh no 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 no! Oh, sorry about that, mate. Oh, get up there! Get him! Get him! Oh, get him! Get him! Get him! Don't let me get me! No! I need to live! I have a mission! Cause! Ha! Just kidding. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Or experience of tranquility.
Tranquility.
30 seconds remaining.
Sure. Okay guys, tips for medic. There needs to be one medic per team. And if somebody goes medic when there already is a medic, that's just a bitch slap to that medic, saying, you know, basically, you know, you're not good enough for our team. But you know, if you're that one guy who thinks we need two medics, don't be ashamed. You're just making the current medic feel extremely uncomfortable. Look, there's me, and there's that Lucio. That's what I got. I did a lot of healing. Well, a decent amount. I do more healing as Mercy, so perhaps I should just stick to her in terms of support. Anyway, this doesn't look like I'll be getting a new main anytime soon. You know what I'm saying, guys? Mercy for the win. This is where he Ryoga Waka Teku. Oh no, this is before he Ryoga Waka Teku Waku Do.
I thought so.
Pretty good. Pretty. It's a lot. Next.